traveling from a hometown Pasig City where I'm currently residing sa inyo pong barangay. Wala ho bang palakpakan dyan? Thank you so much. Hep hep!
Hooray!
Hooray!
Hep hep!
Parang mahina. Paano naman po ako gaganahan? Isa pa po! Hep hep!
Hooray!
Hooray!
Hep hep!
Ngayon ko naman po napagtanto na ang mga tao sa barangay na ito ay pawang uto-uto. Joke naman po. According to the book of Genesis, but God created man, and that was Adam. But since Adam was sad and lonely, that's why he created woman, and that was Eve. A blessed evening to each and everyone for you to be able to win the best in national costume. It is not how wonderful, how colorful, how elegant, or even how big your costume is. It is in how you will deliver and let the panel board of judges analyze what does your national costume really means. Ladies and gentlemen, panel board of judges, I am proud to say that I am wearing a costume that represents and collaborates the Mascara Festival going to the north, Ifugao, Benguet. My real name is Miss Raisa Magapagal, and yes, indeed, I am proud to say that I am a summa cum laude graduate from Amy Computer University with a course of Mass Communication major in Broadcasting. At opo, totoo po iyon. Sa mga nagtataas ng kilay, just give me your email and I will be more than happy to send you my scholastic details. And since this is a pageant, kung ibang kandidata ay gumagaya ng kanilang kapareha, well, the candidate number 1 will still remain dahil naniniwala po ako na ang ganitong ganda ay walang kapareha. Muli, this is Miss Raisa Magapagal, your candidate number 1 may be the first, but will give you the best show and a not to remember. Again, this is Miss Raisa Magapagal saying, let the battle of beauty, body, confidence, talent, and true brain begin now.
That's candidate number 1, King Raisa Magapagal.
Para nakita niyo lang picture niya.
Sa tibay ng lupa, ako'y nakatindig. Sa bigat ng mundo, ako'y di matitinag. Puso kong matatag sa
Thank you, candidate number 1. And now, let's meet and say hello to candidate number 2.
pinigang lakas. Tagalay na ako'y matibay at matatag. Sa bawat sandali ay humihirap. Sa bawat buhay ako'y bumabangon. Nakatakan at habang ang aking sinumpaan sa ngalan ng ina.
hindi pumalakpak, masusunugan ng bahay. Ang hindi humiyaw, mamamatay ng buhay. Ang hindi humayaw at pumalakpak, maubusan ng pamilya. Joke lamang po. Traveling here for 4 hours from Mandaluyong City, for I always believe that whether a man, a woman, or a gay, the mere fact that you're created by the God, therefore, you work for love, peace, and care. A glorious evening, Bayan-Bayanan, San Pedro, Laguna! My name is Princess Tanco Villanueva, a 32 years old stoner, a fresh graduate of mass communication major in journalism, and a proud to be cum laude at the La Salle University, Dasmariñas, Cavite, who is proudly represent my majestic way from the pedigree of Mandaluyong City. But tonight, the lovely designer by the name, I'm the woman who captured a part of Mr. Lawrence, Chris Lawrence, the one and only this kind of girl, Miss Katrina Halili, na nagsasabi sa mga hurado at sa mga kandidata, if you have it, show it, or mamatay sila sa inyo.
Ilan na yan?
You.
Thank you so much, Miss Francine Tanco Villanueva.
Sa tibay ng lupa,
Thank you so much, candidate number 2. And now, please welcome our candidate.
sa tibay ng lupa, sa bigat ng mundo, puso kong matag sa katotohanan, damdamang isugal ang aking buhay. Awit ng lupa, tinig ang lakas, tagaway ng lahi, tagapagtanggol ng balas, bumubuhay ng mundo sa paligid, ako ang lupa, matibay at matatag. Sa bawat sugat lupa'y humihilom, sa bawat luha ako'y bumabangon. Katapatan at tapang aking sinumpa, sa ngalan ng Ina, sa ngalan ng bayan. Awit ng lupa, tinig ang lakas, taglay ng lahi, tagapagtanggol ng batas, bumubuhay ng mundo sa paligid, ako ang lupa, matibay at matatag. Isinusumpa ko sa ngalan ng lupa, isinusumpa ko sa ngalan ng mundo. Walang kasalanan, ako'y tatayo hanggang sa huli. Ako'y totoo.
Back then, a young and tiny voice that is being defined as voiceless
Kumuha ka dapat
is the voice that I will be using to become a voice of those people that is currently defining as a voiceless one. And that voice is me. Iisang layunin, iisang magitan, at iisang laban-labanan.
Tawag na ni Gabi.
Ngunit, hayaan ng ating ipakilala ang panibagong mukha, panibagong reyna, na lehitimong nagmula sa barangay Langgam, kinabibilangan ng San Pedro City, province of Laguna. If there are queens among the queens, kings among the queens, therefore, let me introduce myself. I am the prince of France pageantry, and this is Ezekiel Vidal, a 21 years of age stunner, and let me share you some of my pageant credentials. I was crowned as your Miss Gay, Queen of Sampaguita, Antipolo Rizal, 2026, Crown Keeper, and title holder. I was crowned as your Miss Gay, Queen of San Luis, Antipolo Rizal, Crown Keeper, and title holder. And recently, I am the only bisexual who compete and vying among those trans people who compete to get the title of Pilipining Ikatlong Lahit 2025. Therefore, again, I am your crown keeper and title holder. And since this is a beauty pageant, let me humble myself. The national costume that I am
Thank you, pare. Hindi pumalak.
Happy Fiesta!
Wala problema, iwas sa labas.
years.